ISO 182951, Clause 5 Customer Focused Leadership. Clause 5 of ISO 182951 outlines the core focus areas of the system. It begins with general requirements, establishing the overall framework and guiding principles. It then addresses customer experience design and delivery, emphasizing the need to create and consistently deliver high quality, customer centered experiences. Finally, it highlights employee satisfaction and engagement, recognizing the importance of a motivated and involved workforce in driving performance, service excellence, and continuous improvement across the organization. Clause 5.1 highlights the critical role of leadership in a customer contact center. The leadership team is responsible for ensuring that all requirements of ISO 182951 are effectively implemented. They must also align operations with the client's customer experience strategy, ensuring that every interaction reflects the client's expectations and brand values. By establishing clear, customer focused strategies, leadership sets the direction for delivering consistently positive customer experiences. Ultimately, leadership plays a key role in shaping service quality and building a customer centric culture within the organization. For example, leadership may define a clear customer experience strategy aligned with client expectations. They regularly review customer satisfaction scores and performance metrics to ensure service quality. Leaders also promote a customer first culture by encouraging employees to prioritize customer needs in every interaction. Additionally, leadership drives continuous improvement initiatives and actively participates in reviewing feedback and quality performance, ensuring that the organization consistently enhances the customer experience. To demonstrate compliance with Clause 5.1, organizations must maintain key documents such as the customer experience strategy, quality policies, and defined roles and responsibilities. Records like management review minutes, customer satisfaction reports, internal audit findings, and improvement plans provide evidence of leadership involvement and commitment. These documents and records collectively show that leadership is actively guiding the organization toward delivering consistent, high quality customer experiences. Clause 5.2 focuses on both the design and delivery of the customer experience. The customer contact center leadership must work closely with the client to define the desired experience, ensuring alignment with the client's brand values and expectations. Once defined, the leadership is responsible for consistently delivering this experience across all customer interactions. In addition, the CCC and the client must agree on relevant performance measures to monitor how effectively the experience is being delivered. They must also define how frequently these measures will be reviewed. This structured approach ensures that performance is continuously tracked and improved to meet customer expectations. For example, CCC leadership may conduct workshops with the client to design the desired customer experience and map the customer journey across all channels. They may define key performance indicators such as customer satisfaction, first contact resolution, and average handling time to measure success. Regular reviews, such as monthly or quarterly meetings, are conducted with the client to assess performance. Dashboards help track these metrics in real time, and insights from performance data are used to continuously improve processes and enhance the customer experience. To demonstrate compliance with Clause 5.2, organizations must maintain documents such as customer experience frameworks, journey maps, KPI definitions, and service level agreements. A clear performance review plan should also be in place, agreed upon with the client. Records such as performance reports, KPI data, customer feedback, and client meeting minutes provide evidence that the organization is actively monitoring and managing the customer experience. These records also show that continuous improvements are being made based on measurable performance outcomes. Clause 5.3 highlights the strong connection between employee satisfaction and customer satisfaction. Engaged and motivated employees are more likely to deliver high quality customer experiences. The customer contact center leadership must create a positive and supportive work environment that encourages high levels of engagement. Employees should be equipped with the right skills, tools, and resources to perform their roles effectively. Additionally, employee engagement should be integrated into daily operations, and organizations must periodically measure satisfaction levels. This includes both overall employee engagement and the agent's experience while handling customer interactions, enabling continuous improvement. For example, organizations may conduct regular employee engagement surveys to understand workforce sentiment. Training programs help employees build the necessary skills to deliver quality service, while efficient systems and tools make their work easier. Recognition and reward programs can motivate employees and boost morale. Open communication channels allow employees to share feedback, and management can monitor workload and stress levels to improve working conditions. Based on this feedback, organizations can take targeted actions to enhance both employee satisfaction and overall performance. To demonstrate compliance with Clause 5.3, organizations should maintain documents such as employee engagement policies, training plans, and performance management frameworks. Records such as employee survey results, training logs, feedback records, and performance appraisals provide evidence of engagement efforts. Additionally, action plans developed from employee feedback show that the organization is actively working to improve employee satisfaction and enhance the overall customer experience.